Hello everyone, so welcome to this lecture. And the title of this lecture is why move to machine learning. Like, why should we use machine learning for trading basically, continue with our own human analysis and stuff. And let me answer this question. So trading, as it is known, if you think about trading, the thing that comes to your mind is you see the trading floors. You have lots of traders on the 4, 5, 6, 7 screens, big trading office, double screens, busy charts, humans staring at them. You think about intense environment, billion of dollars in transaction happening on multiple markets and stuff. And if you deep dive into the chart themselves, this is something that you might see on the screen of a traders, particularly a retail traders. Professional traders might have different sort of screens looking at different indicators and stuff, different parameters, but this is what you're going to see. Lots of information. And traders are faced with so much data that moves so fast that it becomes almost impossible to humanly process it. Now, they instead rely on chart patterns, flow of trading orders, also called order book, to make quick decision in split second, right? And hopefully they hope to have an edge there over other traders and make money. And this approach actually is often devastating for most traders. And I mean, by most traders, I talk about retail traders, people like you and me, right? I'm right now a semi-professional traders, but I used to be a retail trader, and people like you and me, as they are not successful in making money. So I advocate, why not use something that is smarter, something that is more powerful, such as machine learning, right? So think about adopting machine learning for your trading, because trading firms are already doing that. So you have trading firms, investment institution, banks, they are making huge moves to algorithm and machine learnings to further improve their trading results, to further make money. They use technical analysis in combination with complex mathematics models, advanced statistics, and machine learning to come up with robust trading strategy, and this helped them make profit and stay ahead. Now, you don't have to be a mathematic genius. You don't have to be a full seasoned data scientist to come up with really reliable trading strategy. I, that have done so many research, I as a data scientist, I as a semi-professional trader, I have developed and researched and found machine learning algorithms that are suitable for trading, right? And this is what I'm trying to do in this course. I'm trying to teach you guys basically how to think about, how to frame the problem, how to approach the problem of using a machine learning model to develop a trading strategy. And this particular course is very important because I have developed, I'm using deep learning, which is a superior machine learning algorithm to develop trading strategy. How awesome is that? So stay connected. Let's go ahead and start. And I keep talking. Okay, so what are the benefits of machine learning for trading? Data in trading has high number of dimensions, right? So it's highly dimensional, which makes it complicated for the human to analyze. Now, machine learning is good at learning general representation from the data during training sessions, and they can make predictions based on what was learned, right? So they can in many cases do so even when there's lots of dimension involved in the data. So think about having lots of inputs. You have moving average, you have Bollinger Band, you have high momentum, you have you talk about it, least regressions, indicators. Listen, the list is a lot. So which indicator to use, which not to use, what modification to make, you don't know, right? So sometimes machine learning algorithms are helpful in that most of the time. I would say even every time, right? So it gives an edge to the one using such an approach when it's well studied and when it's applied properly. And an example of that is my course, Machine Learning for Trading with Python. There I teach you guys how to use random forests and SVM, sample vector machines, to develop a quantitative trading strategy, at least to explore the possibility of finding trading strategies using these tools, right? So this is what you should be. This is a space you guys should go into. Don't wait, don't think, oh, this is for mathematics people, this is for smart people. No, this is for professional people. No, you too can develop profitable trading strategy. Come now, enroll, keep learning, and follow this course. Your life will not remain the same. All right, guys, thank you very much, and I see you in the next lecture.